Hello everyone, welcome to the general informations. This video is only for educational purpose. It does not promote any kind of illegal activities. In this video, I will talk about 10 best hacking tools used by the professional hackers. I personally recommend you to use Kali Linux. You can go through any of the operating systems such as Windows or either Mac OS, but don't forget to set up a virtual environment. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, let's start with Nmap, or we can say Network Mapper. It is a security scanner tool. It provides lots of features which I cannot discuss in just one video, but I point out some of the main features of Nmap. So our first main feature is host discovery. It identifies the host on a network. You can identify who is the actual host on a network, like what is the location of that host, or what kind of encryption it uses, everything else. It also scans the open ports for the target hosts. Another feature of Nmap is interrogating a network. It interrogates a network and determines every single information about the server, its hardware compatibility and the system. With the help of Network Mapper, you can check out the securities, vulnerabilities, everything about the network, or I can say server, or I can say hosts. And the one final main thing about the Nmap is it supports GUI, and the latest version for this Nmap is 4.22. You can go through the Google. So our next tool is Metasploit. It is an open source project basically execute code against the remote target machine. Whenever a hacker successfully put a bug in any of the machine, so how it controls that? That time Metasploit is used. A hacker can perform any task in that machine using Metasploit. It also provides information about security vulnerabilities and help in penetration testing. As earlier in this video, I recommended about a Kali Linux. This tool is pre-installed in it. But if you don't have a Kali Linux, you can go through the GitHub or Google, you will find it. In this list, our next tool is Wireshark. What is Wireshark? Wireshark is an open source network analyzer. It analyzes a network and captures the packets. Let's take an example. When two devices are communicating, they send so many packets on a particular network. So what hackers do? They just capture those packets and they can read those packets using Wireshark. Even they can modify the packets. Well, the capturing is of packets is not so hard, but reading and writing those packets, you need to be very smart for it. The Wireshark tool is available for all the platform. You can visit the official website of wireshark.org or you can Google it. But before trying this tool, you should learn some basics about IPv4 and IPv6. In this list, our next tool is Nikto. Nikto is a well known as a part of Kali Linux. Nikto is used to scan web servers and perform different security tests. For using this kind of tools, you need some programming skills because it does not support any GUI. It supports a simple command line interface. Nikto provides so many features, but some important features which are as follows. The first important feature is it is integrated with the Metasploit framework. As we talked earlier about Metasploit, you people know about it. With the help of a Nikto, you can execute a brute force dictionary attack. Now what is brute force? In brute force, there is a file which contains lots of common passwords. Nikto reads this file, take out one by one each and every password, try to apply and check it out whether the password is correct or not. Once you get the access to the server, you can dump the data and export it to text file or HTML file. In this list, our next tool is John the Ripper. John the Ripper is one of the most popular tools used to crack passwords. Yes, it cracks passwords. This is the one and only tool which is available to test the security strength of your operating systems. John the Ripper tool can detect type of encryption of any passwords and change its password test algorithm accordingly. So I can say this tool is based on AI. It is the intelligent password tracking tool. Like our another tools, this one is not just available for Mac, Windows, Linux, but this tool is available for Android users as well. So in this list of 10 best hacking tools, our next tool is Kismet. Kismet is the one of the most used ethical hacking tool. It is basically used in network detection and packet sniffer. With the help of this tool, you can not just detect the network and their users, you can snipe the packets, or I can say your scripts, you can snipe it any of the targeted device, and it is available on Mac, Linux and Windows. For more information, you can Google it. In this list, our next tool is SQL Ninja. As it named as SQL, it dedicated to target and exploit the web apps that contains MS SQL as their back-end database server. It is used to test the database schema and to get the fingerprint access, remote access of the database. This tool is not available on the Windows platform. You can use this tool on Linux, Mac OS or either iOS. In this list, our next tool is Wapiti. Wapiti is an open source vulnerability scanner tool. It supports command line interface. It is a very good tool to find out the flaws and holes in web applications. For more information about Wapiti, you can go through the Google. Our next tool is Canvas. It is not any kind of different tool, it is just an alternative to the Metasploit. The main feature of Canvas is its automation exploitation system, which is not available in Metasploit. In Metasploit, you have to write each and every script, but here you can generate those scripts and just use it if you are a beginner. This tool is also available on all the platforms like Mac, Linux, Windows, etc. If you found something interesting in this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment me down what's new for you.